Welcome back everybody. So guys, what I'm just gonna do in this class, I just wanna make the delete button. Another interesting feature, but you will see a new technique in this class. Basically, when I just click on delete button, it will work and delete the raw. But the issue is where to create the Ajax request for the deleting, or where to make all the process exactly in the process Ajax. But the issue is, if I just go here and save the page, which is a button is launching the Ajax, it's loading automatically on the body in index.html. Okay, because this function, the Ajax function, is there. And the second thing is here, this is the add new person. This one is also, when we just click on add new person, this form will be visible in a browser, then this function is running. So actually this function is launching another Ajax. So by the way, the issue is they both are launching the Ajax, but now where is the delete button? The delete button is not in this page. So the delete button in the process Ajax page, but where to create the Ajax request exactly, this is the delete button. I'm gonna show you what I'm just telling here. You can see that this one, now this one is a delete button, this edit button, this one is a delete button. So exactly, I just want to add another Ajax function with this button, but where we'll create the function. We will add the button here, but create the function there. Why I'm doing this and how it will work, basically all the data which is inside this exactly is echoing on that page on the index.html. So the function will go there too, on that page too. So in this way, we can we can handle this issue very easily. I'm going to show you practically. Here I'm just adding the on click alert. Right now I'm just adding the alert, and I'm just typing here delete, save, and I'm just going to the browser. Oh wait, I've already deleted something. Delete, now save. And what more I'm doing, I'm removing these signs because I just added this inside, which is more important than the outer one. So refresh the page and just click on the delete, any of the delete. You can see that the sign of delete here, delete, yeah, delete, whatever. That means it's working perfectly. So now if I just go to the browser, basically these both buttons and that button is still in the index page, but these buttons are also in the index page just because of the Ajax. So now we are just calling the function here. I'm just creating first the delete user or the delete person. I can create anyone, delete person or delete func, whatever you prefer, func. And then just go to the index.html, and we are simply creating the function. That function in this page we can create anywhere. This one is the first function. I'm just mentioning Ajax, the whole data from the process Ajax.php, and there another commenting inserting data to the database. Okay, and for now what I'm just gonna do after that function, deleting data from the database. Now save. And what more I'm gonna do, basically I'm just gonna create a function here. So the function, what was the name of the function? If I just go there, the delete func, probably, yeah, the delete function. I'm deleting the text which is inside it because I just don't want that text. I'm going there, and the delete func, go inside, and then what we need to do. For now, what I'm just doing, I'm just creating an alert and just typing delete again, but this delete is in index.html. to just show you that it's working perfectly. Refresh the page and click on the delete button, and it's still the delete. How I'm getting the delete? I'm just typing here delete from the index, just clarifying that this is index page. Refresh and click on the delete button again. Delete from index. However, the function has been declared on that page, but exactly all the data including this function is actually on this page just because of the Ajax. Okay, just because of the Ajax, all the data which is inside in that page is actually visible on that page. But one thing more, if you remember that we just learned in PHP that if we include something, so it actually added on the page. If I just go to the source code, so here go down, you can see that the form, the Ajax request, there is a table, but there isn't any data because there we are just exchanging the data through the client side, not the server side. But the way and the methodology is actually same like the include and the Ajax way to exchanging the data. So by the way, what is the thing I just want to do here? I'm just deleting this alert, and exactly I just need to I just need to select something. First of all, I just need to call the object, the XML HTTP. So here XML HTTP dot open, sorry, it should be here, and the XML HTTP dot send. Okay, now then press enter. And what I just want to open now, I'm just sending again to the same page, to the process.ajax. So the gateway, I'm just sending something to the process ajax.php. Sorry, it should be inside these single quotes. The process ajax.php and comma, the way should be true, must be true in fact. And then I'm just gonna create some kind of variables here, but not now. I'm just going there, and what I'm just doing, I'm just getting the UID. If you remember that if you just want to delete any data or update any data, we just need the ID of the raw where we just want to make any updation or deleting. So forget, that the raw's uname, the raw's email. So in the same way, if I just go there and just click on the Ajax, so if I just go to the inside, go inside the users, so the UID, I just want to place the UID here inside these single quotes. So the raw's UID, and now save, and I'm just going to the browser. I'm just going there, and I just want to check out that it's working perfectly or no. So I'm just making them commented and just alerting the data which I'm just getting from that page. But for getting that page exactly, I just need to send the request. Or yeah, sorry, I don't need to send the request because I'm not processing any Ajax for now. I'm just simply typing here user ID, and here the user ID, and now save. And I'm going to the browser and refresh the page and click on the delete. So number 3, this one is 3, delete. This one is 15, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 16. So exactly I'm getting the ID. I'm going to show you again what I did. If you just understood that, so go wait a little bit, or if you just not understand that, so wait for a while and try to understand that again. Basically all the data which is in this page is actually visible on that page. So no matter you just create the function on this page on a process Ajax or create on the index.html, because both pages, or basically both pages can have the functions at the top of the index.html, because the complete process Ajax page is actually visible on the index.html, just considered like the part of the index.html. So just imagine this function, the delete function, is in the index.html page, not on any other page, because this page is actually a part of this page, because of this own load function where we are just loading all the data, the Ajax function where we are just loading all the data without any question mark or anything to the index.html. So now come to the point. You just supposed that delete function is in the index.html. So now we are getting the data from the index delete button, and just creating the variable and getting that data inside this variable, the user ID, through the parameters of the function. And alerting that data by using the alert, by the way. So if I just go to the process Ajax, and what is the data we are printing? We are printing the data which is coming from the database. Okay, we are just only printing the UID of every raw. So this is what we did. This is not the, we just didn't Ajaxify yet, so that's why we just simply use the alert technique. But now we are gonna Ajaxify. Now you know that all these things are same page part, but now I'm gonna send to the process Ajax. When we both are the same part, then why I'm sending that? Because I just want to create a new request, the new Ajax request. So we just need to call the process Ajax. Actually, we just need to restart the page on deleting, on calling, on doing any feature, any function. We need to restart, or you can say resend, restart, or a new request, a new Ajax request we have to launch. That's why whenever we just click on delete function, or we just launch the delete function, all the Ajax will removed. That means at that point the both pages will be separated, and a new Ajax request will be launched. So again they will be one again. So by the way, what I'm just gonna do for now, here I just opened the request, I just sent the request, but some more things is required. I'm just going there first, question mark, and then here the question mark, and I'm just typing the del id and equal to and plus user id, the user id, the del id and the user id. So now save, and what more is required, and then what more is required, we just need to work on the process Ajax for this del id. I'm just going there, and now if the form submit, then this should work, and exactly all that remain as same. So now press enter, and I'm just making another if is set request del id, means anyone created the del id, then go inside and del sql, and now delete from, oh come on, from where, from the users, where uid is equal to request, wait for a while, request del id, and here press enter, and the the del run mysqli query, and del sql comma del, oh sorry, sql, and the first one should be the conn, the connection. So by the way, here we are deleting the data, and all these things are as same. So basically the page is reloading or in Ajax automatically without refreshing the page through the Ajax. If I just save, and if I just go to the browser, and if I just click on the refresh button, but something more we need, where we are just getting the data with this request, we're not getting the data with this request. So here we just need to call these things, sorry, not these things, actually the already state change. Now go there, xml http dot on ready state change equal to, and I'm assigning the function with it, if xml http dot ready state, the s must be capital, state equal to 4 strophe xml http dot status equal to 200. Then what should happen, we're just selecting the document dot get element by id, and I'm just updating some inner HTML content equal to xml http dot response text. So which is, I'm just getting again, and what I'm just doing, where I'm just updating the data, I'm just updating the data on this ret data id. So go to the top, and then the red ID. Now what is happening basically when we just launching this function, all the other Ajax methods and requests will be denied and only this one will work. Exactly, we are replacing the whole data from the read data and just replacing the data which I'm just getting from this one. But what will be the new result? Exactly, after the deleting we will be getting the new result. So go to the browser and refresh the page, and now just click there to delete that object, and now yeah, without refreshing the page it's working perfectly. Click on this delete, and now yeah, exactly, that will be deleted without refreshing. That means it's working perfectly. So guys, in the next class we'll do the edit button, we'll work on the edit button. Stay tuned and goodbye.